First of all, a very good afternoon to one and all present here, and to all the resource person who talked earlier about this topic, which is really a vulnerable topic, ma'am, Nilakshi, and ma'am, other person, Manika, ma'am. So you beautifully talk about all the things. Before beginning my topic, I just want to say a very big thank you to Dr. Sanjay Kumar, Principal, Saraswati Professional Educational Institute Professional Studies, that they have given me the opportunity to talk about this topic, which is concerned to each and every person who is here with us. And a lady comes from a lady. This is very true. So, I just want to start my topic with the quotation that yatra naryastu पूजनते रमते तत्र देवता, यानी कि जहाँ पे नारी की पूजा होती है वहीं पे देवताओं का वास है। ये हमारे जो उपनिषद हैं और जो हमारे ज्ञान के भंडार हैं, उन्हीं से हमें ये सीख मिलती है। लेकिन बात कहाँ पे रुकती है? जब हम इसे बढ़ावा नहीं देते हैं। तो हमें इन्हीं चीजों को आगे लेके चलना है। आई विल शेयर माय व्यूज with everyone by taking some PPTs regarding this topic, that is importance of a girl child during this International Day of Girl Child, which is mainly celebrated for the awareness purpose. We all know that a day is specifically celebrated to make aware the people regarding any issue. So girl child is a very important issue for every one of us. So I just want to share the things with you. So let us focus on the topic. First of all, I'll take, as you all know that this day is celebrated on this 11th of October, and it was started by the UN in 2012, that to bring some sort of awareness among the people, and it is about the girl child. So the next I am sharing the screen with you people. It is all about how it is important in the society, how a girl child is important in the society. So first of all, I'll take my first point, which is how it is originated. So we all know that it is started from a conference which is held in the Beijing, that is in 1995. And there some issues were raised for the girls, that they are going and filling some deprived part in the society. So UN decide to take this day into consideration, and they start celebrating from 11th of October 2012. So that was considered as the inaugural day for this. So next slide, please. This was the history. Now the next thing, that is our theme for the year. It is digital generation, our generation. अब थोड़ा सा मैं साझा करूंगी विचार कि digital generation, our generation. If we talk about this, तो अगर हम देखते हैं कि we are living in a age of digital generation. So we talk about gender equity, and we talk that girls they are equally compete with the boys in every field. So we need to train them in this field as well. इसमें लड़कियों का भी उतना ही अधिकार है जितना लड़कों का है. If they are trained, तो that means girls, they require to be trained in this part. So the theme is very clear to everyone that digital generation is our generation. तो इसीलिए कि लड़कियां भी इस generation में उतनी ही trained हो, इस theme को लिया गया है. Then I'm going ahead with the next presentation. Now I will focus on the point that how a girl is important to all of us. मैंने पहले भी कहा कि girl जो है, a lady comes from a lady, but जो सृष्टि के रचयिता है वो भी कौन है? वो भी औरत ही है. तो शायद जो importance of girl child है, अगर हम उसको शब्दों में बांधना चाहें तो it will be very very less words will be there, क्योंकि कहने को बहुत कुछ है लेकिन उसको डिस्क्राइब करना जो है कम शब्दों में बहुत कम होगा. वी आर गोइंग थ्रू द टाइम कंस्ट्रेंट एज वेल, सो आई विल टेक सम पॉइंट्स फॉर दिस. फर्स्ट इज गर्ल चाइल्ड, और इफ वी टॉक अबाउट अ विमन, तो इट इज द पिलर ऑफ द future, or you can say rather this is the pillar of a नेशन. वी कैन से, जैसे हम कह सकते हैं कि यूथ ऑफ टुडे आर द सिटीजन ऑफ टुमारो. So that is, it is the same with our girls. They are the women of tomorrow. If you want to empower them, then we must reduce inequality, gender gaps, and create strong women leaders. We have to let them live today, and they raise them to be those leader of future. अगर हम उनको आज अच्छी तरह से जीने के लिए रहने देंगे और तैयार करेंगे, then only then they will be the future leaders. तो अभी हम ये we cannot describe this thing into the words only that they are the pillars of the future. We can start from our home. All of you, maybe you are a sister, maybe you are a wife of someone, and maybe you are a mother of someone, but I think the home completely moves around you people, we people. So girls, women, they are really, really important for a society, and their contribution is really remarkable for every one of us. जितने भी लोग अभी घर से बाहर आ रहे हैं, कोई ना कोई घर पे होगा to say mama bye. कि तभी कोई, जो भी लोग बाहर आते हैं वो कैसे आ सकते हैं? If someone is supporting to them. So mother, she is the lady of house, and she let us to and allow us to go out of the home. For what? For doing some work, and whatever we want to do in our life, or whatever we want to achieve in our life. So we are associated with the lady only. So what is, in brief, I can say that a lady plays a very vital role. If we talk about, she is really a pillar for the home. She is pillar for the this nation, and she is pillar for every institution. अभी कोई भी इंस्टीट्यूशन की आप बात करते हैं तो महिलाएं कहीं भी कम नहीं है. अगर उनके एम्पावरमेंट की बात कही जाए तो दे आर नॉट बिहाइंड, दे आर कम्पीटिंग इक्वली इन एवरी फील्ड. सो उनकी इंपॉर्टेंस को तो मुझे लगता है कहीं भी इग्नोर नहीं किया जा सकता है. तो विद दिस आई एम कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट, दैट इज change maker. Of course, this is not a mark only, they are the change makers, but we are visualizing these all things in our real life. We are really change maker. I feel so that we are change makers. If we go back and we see towards our mothers, or we see towards our grandmother, so what do you think? That they give us something, and they encourage us, and we here where we are lying right now, and we are becoming the change maker. Next, our daughters, they will be the future change makers. So ये change makers बन कैसे पा रहे हैं? अगर हम उनको educate करते हैं. The quotation is given by Nilakshi ma'am as well, that if you educate a man, then you educate only a man, and if you educate a woman, you educate a generation. सो चेंज मेकर्स कौन हैं? जो एजुकेटेड लोग हैं, और एजुकेटेड लोग ही क्या करते हैं? जनरेशंस को बनाने में हमें सहायता करते हैं. तो वी कैन नॉट फॉरगेट द कंट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ अ वुमेन फॉर चेंजिंग द वर्ल्ड अराउंड अस. दे आर सोशली वुमेन, दे आर वेरी रिच. कभी आपने भी देखा होगा अपने परिवार में या अपने आसपास में कहीं भी, हम लोगों से जुड़े हुए जो भी सराउंडिंग्स होते हैं, women, they know how to handle the things politely. क्योंकि दे स्टार्टिंग, वो जहां से शुरू होती हैं, घर परिवार से शुरू होता है उनका जो लाइफस्टाइल है, एंड दे आर जहां वहां क्या करती हैं, कहीं ना कहीं दे लर्न एडजस्टमेंट इन देयर लाइफ. अगर वो एडजस्टमेंट को सीख सकती हैं तो वो एक चेंज मेकर भी हो सकती हैं. तो यही उनका रोल है कि वो कैसे चेंज मेकर हो सकती है. आज के वर्ल्ड में अगर हम बात करते हैं तो कोई भी फील्ड लाइफ में ऐसा नहीं होगा जहां पे जो कंट्रीब्यूशन है, हमारे एजुकेशनिस्ट हो, चाहे हमारे एस्ट्रोनॉट्स हैं, चाहे हमारे किसी भी फील्ड की हम बात करते हैं, पायलट हैं, एयर होस्टेस हैं, विमेन दे आर इन फ्रंट ऑफ इन एनी वर्ड, दे आर, वो सबसे आगे मिलेंगी हमें जहां भी मिलेंगी. सो वी कैन से दैट दे आर द चेंज मेकर. वो सोसाइटी को चेंज करने की कोशिश कर रही हैं, और सोसाइटी जो है वो चेंज हो रही है. अगर इफ वी विल गिव देम अ राइट स्टार्ट और राइट किक, आई कैन से, so they will go for a better future, and they can bring the desirable changes around us. So एक जो भी अगर हम बात करते हैं तो महिलाएं कहीं भी पीछे नहीं है, महिलाएं हमेशा आगे रहेंगी और आगे थी. तो इसी के साथ जो I will focus on the next, that is about the multitasker. Yeah, we all know about that. We can start from ourselves. जितने भी लोग यहाँ पे बैठे हैं, they are multitasker. We are doing each and everything. We are not doing only teaching in the campus. We are doing each and everything around us. We are playing, so we are the multitasker. We are playing multi roles in our life. Like I talked in the previous part as well, that their positions are highly privileged. If you talk about they are CEOs, they are entrepreneurs, and handling the home and hearth with equal flair. So if they have capacity, only then they can do the multitask. And this is a really challenging task. घर में आप बाहर निकलिए, कैंपस में आइए, कहाँ भी, अगर आप वुमेन की कंट्रीब्यूशन को देखते हैं तो वो हर जगह एक सराहनीय रूप में नजर आता है. दे आर contributing equally. If we talk about the economic status of a family, even if we talk about the economic status of the country, तो जो ladies हैं, they are giving equal contribution for that. These are not the words which I am saying here, but this is a practical part of each and everyone present over here. जितनी भी यहाँ ladies होंगी, मैं सबसे यही कहूंगी कि we all are contributing to the society and we are the multitasker. So, अगर हम ये चीज जानते हैं कि we are contributing to the society as a multitasker, then we should not forget about the role of a child as well, a girl child if we specifically talk about. So we should respect the girl child. I just say that we should respect the girl child. If we will respect the girl child, only then the society will respect. तो पूजने की बात कही गई है, तो पूजते तो हैं, लेकिन कैसे पूजा जाता है वो हम लोगों को हम अपने काम से भी किसी को बता सकते हैं कि जो नारी शक्ति है वो कितनी ज्यादा महत्वपूर्ण है किसी भी सोसाइटी को बनाने के लिए. जो उनका कंट्रीब्यूशन है, इट इज जस्ट अनफॉरगेटेबल. सो विद आई एम कमिंग विद द नेक्स्ट पार्ट, दैट इज they are the creators of the inclusive space. As I told earlier, that women have a special quality. They are having quality to deal with the society. They are having the quality to deal with the the work entrepreneur where they come for, and they can handle each and everything very carefully. So they are the creator of the inclusive space. Means उनके पास समावेशी स्थान को क्रिएट करने की भी व्यवस्था बनती है, क्योंकि बिकॉज दे आर मोर एडजस्टिव. जितनी महिलाएं एडजस्टिव हो सकती हैं, उतने दूसरे लोग नहीं हो सकते हैं. आई एम नॉट प्रेजिंग द वुमेन, but I am telling about them. I know that men has equal contribution in the society, but this is the day of, this is the day of a girl child. So I need to focus on that especially, and on the talent of the woman, that how they can create the inclusive space in the society with their qualities, with their empathy, and with their sensitivity. We can say women, they are highly empathetic in nature, and they are highly sensitive. They can recognize about each and every situation, and they can deal with. ये कैपेसिटी और ये जो एबिलिटी है गॉड ने ये महिलाओं को दी है, भगवान ने, इसीलिए घर चलते हैं, इसीलिए संस्थान चलते हैं, मैं ये कहूंगी. सो विद दिस, विद द शॉर्टेज ऑफ टाइम, आई एम कमिंग वेरी फास्ट, आई थिंक सो. So I will go for the next presentation part, that is successful leadership. If we talk about women, they are having a more beautiful leadership quality, and they are the successful leader across the world. आप जहां कहीं भी बात करें तो आपको महिलाएं एक सक्सेस का अगर जो पायदान होता है उसमें they will be on the top. They are, because they are having the quality of best organizer as well as best administrator, leader, celebrity, and you can say so many parts they are playing, and all the women, they play very beautiful all the parts. So they are the successful ladies of the world, rather I can say, because of their leadership quality. So I can say that to run a nation, women, they are playing a very beautiful role. Now next, I just want to share, that is great educationists. This should be in the first actually. I just want to go with this quotation that educating girl isn't just good for the girls, it's good for all of us. The future of our world is only as bright as the future of our girls. So this is very very clear कि हमारा फ्यूचर ब्राइट तभी होगा अगर हमारा जो फ्यूचर जो हमारी गर्ल्स का है वो ब्राइट होगा. ऑटोमेटिकली द थिंग्स दे आर कनेक्टेड. लेडी कम्स आउट फ्रॉम अ लेडी, right? So first teacher, as we all know that who is the first teacher of a child? Mother is the first teacher who teaches the entire family by so many ways. How we can say, if we talk about the upbringing of a child, so who does these all things? A mother does these all things. She helps in the upbringing of a child, as well as she tries to develop the values and giving right education to their offsprings. She tries to develop values differently to their child, so that they can serve as a best citizen in the society and prepare them to jump into a world which is full of challenges. Only mother, she prepares a child, only then they can jump. एक माँ सिखाती है कि आपको कैसे हिम्मत से आगे बढ़ना है. एक बहन सिखाती है कि आपको कैसे आगे चलना है. A sister is a strength of a brother. So we can say that if we talk about all these things, so we cannot deny about the role of a girl child, which is happening in the surrounding. But now this is not that generation. If we talk about now, the things, they are changing very rapidly, and with this change we can see that people, they are going through the education and they are heading towards for a change maker society. So women, they are playing their role very beautifully in these all things. The now next slide, which is I'm going with, that is to educate girls is to reduce poverty. So I can say that with this whole discussion, this is not actually a discussion. If we talk about our roles and we start our role from our home till the campus, we are coming and in the outer world. So I just can say that women or girl child, they are the backbone of the society. But a girl can become the backbone of the society if we treat her equally, if we give right education to her, if we try to talk and discuss with her about the duties, right, and responsibility of a girl, that only then she can do better for the society. So yeah, we talk lastly about so many things that women plays a very major role in the society, and they are the pillar of the nation. They are the multitasker and having leadership quality and provide basic education to their children and look after the family. Along with all these, she survived in the outer world gracefully. So we all are graceful ladies here. I should say this because this is our day. So we should say that graceful ladies अगर हम हैं तो हमने कहीं ना कहीं एक अच्छा जो हमारा अपब्रिंगिंग था एज अ गर्ल चाइल्ड, ओनली देन वी कुड कम आउट. सो हमारी परवरिश में जो हमारे पेरेंट्स का कंट्रीब्यूशन है, फॉर दैट वी कैन नॉट फॉरगेट अबाउट एनीथिंग, and